Hi guys, today we're talking about how to use AI in other fields. AI in other fields are like how to use it in banking, how to use it in hospital, how to use it in police stations. That's so much. We can like for medical you can ask them how is that? How is the person doing? And then it will say yes or no. It will say how good is it? But for banking it's also good. You can say how much, can you count how much, you can take a picture of it and say how much money is in here, and then they'll tell you. There's always a field of AI inside jobs. There's AI, there's everything which AI is now. AI is not the world now. AI is inspired now. People are inspired of AI. AI's AI was a very good creation. Like all the people just like the creation. They're like AI is like very cool. It's like a robot and that. So it's very cool for other people because it's it just it's very smart. It can guess anything, like a calculator. Like what can you tell it which is not correct? Like I can't do anything. I can't like fool it or something. It's impossible. That's how smart is AI. AI is very good in all of the things. It's good on, it can like solve this Rubik's cube which I got. This is a Rubik's cube. It could like solve this. The record time, there was a record time of, there was a AI robot. It like got the Rubik's cube and solved it in 3.45 seconds. That's very fast. Like I don't even know how to do it. How can you do that in 3.45 seconds? That's impossible for humans. Probably need like, I don't know, your muscles will probably fall out because of how fast you need. Because your muscles are like, if they like move too much, it can like fall out. That, I told you, like, look, AIs can do everything. This can solve this Rubik's cube. They can probably, from that tissue box, there's a tissue box right here. You can probably grab like 500 in these and like go three, yeah, like exact same. If they solve this, you can probably grab like 1,000 in like 4 seconds. I don't know. AI is so advanced. It's very advanced. Like, I still got this Rubik's cube. Let me put this back. That's how AI is so advanced. This, I told you, look, it can do everything. It can even paint. I got a painting right there. Let me go get it. Wait. This is my painting. And AI could probably do this in 1 second. This took me like 35 minutes, and AI could probably do this in like 10 minutes, like 10 seconds. AI is so advanced.